Earth, this beautiful planet that we live in. It is constantly moving and changing all the time. And there is something that helps the Earth on all this, and it is called volcanoes. Volcanoes are a very important part of our planet. We live in a fiery planet, but to learn more about this, we need to understand what happened and what is inside of the planet that we live in. But how is that volcanoes are formed? Well, here is how. When two tectonic plates push against each other, they cause something called friction, and this process can form volcanoes. The rock on the seafloor, which contains carbon from the dead plankton, is now carried deep inside the earth. This layer of rock is then heated, so it melted, creating molten rock or magma that once comes out the volcano is called lava. This releases carbon dioxide and gas is returned into the air during an eruption, so the cycle is complete. Fact: do you know where the biggest volcano is in our solar system? You will not believe the answer. The biggest volcano is not on Earth, it is on Mars, and it is called Olympus Mons. Olympus Mons is around 16 miles or 25 kilometers high. This is 2.5 times the biggest volcano called Mauna Kea, located in Hawaii. Also, did you know that the Earth has several active volcanoes? The most active one is in Italy, and it is called Etna, and is being erupting about 3,500 years, followed by Stromboli, also in Italy, and another one that is very popular and so active called Kilauea, and it is in Hawaii. It is so active that it is still constantly forming new lands. It is true that volcanoes can be dangerous, especially if you live nearby. But geologists and scientists nowadays are such a big help in keeping us safe from them. By studying them, they can even tell us when a volcano is about to erupt, or if it is a dormant or extinct volcano. By taking the necessary safety procedures and obeying the evacuation orders when necessary, people who live close to a volcano can be safe. Like these kids from Japan that are wearing their hard hats to school to protect them from rocks thrown out by the volcano Sakurajima. Volcanoes are a very important part of our planet. They provide the lifeblood of our planet. They build mountains and create new lands. Their fireworks recycle life gases and minerals. Lava creates paradises, and only months after an eruption, new vegetation takes home. The volcanic surface is rich in nutrients. In just years, sun, moisture, and microorganisms turn lava into soil, and life begins. Through all my research, I have learned so much, not only about the amazing world of volcanoes, but also about the marvelous, beautiful, and so smart planet we live in, which never stop working to create new lands and forms of living for us to enjoy it. Remember, no matter where we live, we are all in touch by fire.